Hello everybody, Octember fail number 8, this solar motion sensor light. I was sitting out here on a fine October evening. It was cool and this light was flickering, and I had also noticed it being on during the daytime. Let's pull it down and see what happened. Well, let's open it up and see if we can determine what happened. It also had some LEDs that were no longer illuminating. They probably got wet and shorted out because they're on the bottom row there. Yeah, it's definitely gotten wet. Oh yeah. She's a goner, unfortunately. Man. Yeah, the circuit board is completely pooched. Not looking good. It's got a heck of a battery in it though. 2000 milliamp hour. Have to save on that. I don't think there's any fixing that. I do like these because they come on at night on low, and then when you walk by they come on high so you can really see where you're going. That's quite unfortunate. I don't know if I can pull the board out enough to have a look at that or not, maybe. But yeah, that's definitely water damaged. Switch is completely gone. I don't know if there's any bringing that back around or not. That is quite corroded. Let's spray some deoxide on there and see what that does. That made some improvements. However, I don't know if it's corroded beyond off on auto. That switch is just completely roached. Wires are all still connected. See if we've got any voltage. We've got voltage. Got 2 volts on there, so if it was going to work, something would happen, I would think. I was hoping I could fix it, but it looks like that water got the best of it. Unfortunately. So may just have to do plan L for the meantime. Yeah, I don't think, the way that's constructed, I don't think there's any bringing that back around. I'm just not that talented. I got a feeling the water got in right there. I don't know if that's going to be able to be shown on camera, but there's a spot right there where that seal's not making any more. So that possibly got damaged in the hailstorm. I don't know, and it just manifested months later. But it waited till Octember to fully fail. So we might have to do Plan L, since that's the case. And see, I also like these because you could put a hose clamp around there and it mounts to the conduit beautifully. But we will come up with Plan L, and I think we'll be able to get through the winter until I can find another one of these. Just for the heck of it, let's turn off all the lights and see if it does anything. Not a thing. Well, so that's that. Probably saved the battery out of it. But we'll see about Plan L. Well, here's Plan L. I picked up this Harbor Breeze rig at the Blue Store. Sadly non-motion sensor, but it'll get me through the winter. Let's see how it works. Alright, that'll work. That will indeed work. I just need to light up that spot over by that outdoor sink if I need to go out in that building, because I went out there the other night and it was dark. I tripped over the chop saw I have out there right now. And that's an upcoming series, the Fall Deep Clean for 2024. But meanwhile, let's get back to the task at hand, which is trying to mount this thing back up. It doesn't mount the same, but we'll make it work. So I'm just going to have to wedge that hose clamp there and then put a cable tie on the other side, and we'll just hope for the best. And I will go ahead and mount that up off camera, and we'll come back when it's all put up. There's the replacement light all mounted up. It's charging up currently, and we'll come back tonight and see what it looks like. So this should get me through the winter with no trouble, and I'll look for that other type come spring. Let's take a look at this at night. Absolutely adequate. And I can see the saw now if I come out here at night. And finally, Octember fail number 8 is resolved. Thank you for watching.